I want to try to go through this as understandably as I can. First off, I was trying to justify having the number 42 in the very middle to give the basic outer cube numbers a center number and do away with the inner cube. Just have the outer cube numbers and the center number being 42. But then I started, this is 42 is the main number of this outer cube. And if you notice, well, let's see. Okay, this is that same cube strip there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 going from left to right to bottom, and from 1, 2, 3, 4 going from back to top to front to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the horizontal axis is 1, 1, 3, 3. These are the basic numbers that you get when you have just these numbers and you add them together in each quadrant or octant. I guess octant would be the name of a 8 spaced coordinate system, octant. So if you added the blue numbers in each octant, like for instance 1, 1, and 2 equals 4, 3, 3, and 4 equals 10, 2, 3, and 3 equals 8, and 1, 2, 3 equals 6, the top 6, and then on this side 1, 2, 3 equals 6 in purple, and then on the bottom 1, 3, and 4 equals 8, and then over here 4, 1, and 1 equals 6. So that's how I get those numbers. And when you go diagonally across on all four sides, they all equal 14. 4 over here at this diagonal, and 10 down here at this diagonal equals 14. 6 over here at this top back diagonal, and 8 down here at this bottom front diagonal equals 14. 8 over here at this side diagonal, front right diagonal. 6 down here at this left back diagonal, bottom diagonal. 6, 6, and 8 is 14. It goes like that all the way around. But the interesting thing about this is that there's 6 numbers that are the same. There's 6 going from here down to the back 8, 14. 6 from over here going to the front 8, 14. But then this one is reversed. 6 is down here instead of up here, and it goes up to 8 instead of down to 8. 6 goes up to 8, 14. And then these numbers are different. They still add up to 14. And these are alike on all the different numbers I tried, both addition and addition. I haven't really tried too much in multiplication, but this is all addition numbers. And yellow numbers are just the numbers at the corners. 3, 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus 4 is 7, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So that's how I get those numbers. And then this is the big thing. Okay, so with this 1 and the 3, I expanded them out using the commutative property, 4 on both sides and this 1 and 3, 4 on both sides, and the 2 up here and the 4 down here, 6 on both sides. Those gave me these numbers. 4 and 4 is 8. Um, 4 and 6 is 10, and 4 and 6 is 10. And so 10 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 is 42. And that's like that on all the outer edges. 10, 10, 6, 4, 4, 8. They're all 42. 10, 10, 4, 8, 4, 4, 10, 10, 8, 4, 4, 6. They're all 42. So I figure that 42 goes in the center because they're attached to these numbers directly. 6 and 6, 4, 4, and 4 and 4, which is 28. But 6, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4 is 28. 42 take away 28 is 14, which is the basic numbers of the naked ghost cube. 4, 10, 14, 6, 8, 14, 6, 8, 14, 6, 8, 14. So 42 and 14, 42 can go there, but also 14, because 42 is the main number. It's what makes up the cube, the 3. 28, the numbers that go around it, subtracted by 42, is 14, which is 1/3 of the cube. And that's what this prism here colored in, I believe, it's the size, 1/3 of this whole cube, because it's not quite a fourth. It's not quite as small as a cubic section or an eighth. I believe it's 1/3 of a cube. Because when you subtract 28, which is those main numbers around 42, by 42, and you get 14, which is the naked ghost numbers, 14. So I believe this describes some sort of I didn't quite get around to turn it into a tensor, but I found some interesting aspects of it. So 14 could, and 8 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6 is 28, and half of 28 is 14, so 14 could go there. But 8 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 again plus 10 plus 4 plus 8 again is 56. And 56 is 14 above 42. So 56 could go there. So I figured out all these numbers. 14 is the basic naked ghost number. 28 is the numbers that go around this central 42. 42 is the main ghost number, which could also be in here. And 56 is what all these added up to if you use 8 and 6 twice with the same tens of two different tens and fours. So 14, 28, 42, and 56. They're all additions of 14. I think 14, 28. Yeah, they're all additions of 14. So I'm not sure if 14 goes there or 42 or a combination of them, 56. 4 different choices for the center numbers, so I can't even get around to studying how a tensor functions without trying to determine what the right number is for the center number of these numbers, of these 3 array, 3 by 3 by 3 array. But thanks a lot. Bye bye.